Okay, Anthony va a construir su train. We Angel and the cousin is helping Anthony to build the train. Let's see how it's gonna look. It's gonna look so nice, Anthony, because it's gonna be the Santa Fe train, right?
Yeah.
All right, you got it, Anthony. And no fights, okay?
Huh?
No fights. Es el trolley de San Diego. Es como el metro, pero se llama trolley. San Diego trolley. Te está quedando cool, Anthony. It's gonna be nice. Ahí on the other side van a ir otros strays. Allá on the other side, right? No, on the other side. There, ajá. Ok, fíjate cómo van. Ángel, dile a Anthony que te diga cómo. Mira, papi ya va a poner el otro. Dile a Ángel, how would you do it? Look at this one. This one is ready on this side. Ángel is gonna fix it. Vamos a ver si este pequeñín puede armarlo. ¡Wow! Ese pequeñín sí sabe. Ese little boy. ¿Cómo te llamas, niño?
Ángel.
Oh, Ángel se llama. Que no pelear. Ángel, construye tu propio train on the other side. Oh, the bridge is almost done, Anthony, right? Wow, Anthony is looking good. He's looking nice. Wow, it's looking bigger now, Anthony. It looks so beautiful, Anthony. It's looking awesome, Anthony. You have a beautiful train there. Okay, Anthony's training is looking excellent. He's working so hard to build this train. It's getting bigger and bigger, Anthony. Connected with the other one there. Wow, it's looking nice, Anthony. Now you have to do another line. You have 6 missing. No, there are 5 missing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. Without trucks, the train doesn't go nowhere. Okay, so Anthony almost finished. He's putting some more trains together. He's putting the collection, all the colors, and he's gonna start driving the train as soon as possible. That's nice, Anthony. This is how to build a train.